Hey guys, it's Mr. Dave and
Charlotte.
And we are with the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History. And today we are breaking boredom. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
All
yeah.
right. This one is very simple.
You're most likely to have the materials.
Probably have the stuff you need. It's just two things. This one we call it a screeching balloon, and that's because it is terribly annoying. Terribly annoying. Yeah. So this is a fun one to if your parents or watching some kids they can make this and then take it elsewhere, because you're gonna be like, stop doing that. And then if you're a kid, you're gonna be like, this is the most awesomest thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so it's awesome. All right, so we're gonna break some boredom here. What we're gonna be doing is the screeching balloon. You need two things.
You need a nut, and you also need a balloon.
A balloon. Now, when you're doing this one, there is one little safety thing that you're going to want to pay attention to, okay? Because we are going to take the nut. We are going to put it inside of the deflated balloon. Boop.
Do not inhale the nut.
Do not inhale the nut, okay? So, make sure that when you're doing this, your balloon is hanging down, okay? And when you're blowing up the balloon, your head is facing down, okay? Because if you take it and you, then it can, you're not trying to drink that thing out of there, okay?
Bad idea.
Yeah, bad idea. So make sure that balloon is hanging down, okay? Then you blow up the balloon. All right, let's blow up the balloon. Now, you don't need the balloon to be huge. Yeah, that size is just fine. Then you take and you tie your balloon. Squeaky sounds.
Squeaky sounds.
Okay, now, that's it. We're done. We're done with the whole prep for this little demonstration. Because what we're going to do now is start making some terrible, awful racket.
Terrible.
Now, inside of this balloon, that little nut is sitting in the bottom. Okay? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's sitting in the bottom of that balloon. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to begin to move that nut around in the balloon. Now, you saw how that balloon isn't, the nut isn't round on the outside, right? Yeah, it's a hex. It's got different little points on it. So what's going to happen is as that nut is rolling around in that balloon, all those little points are going to tap off the side of the balloon. So tap your balloon. Now tap your balloon really fast. Well, we can't quite tap it fast enough, because as that nut's rolling around, it taps it very fast, which causes vibration, and sound is?
Vibration.
Vibration, okay? So, here we go. Are you ready? We're going to start slow. You're going to take your balloon, and you just... Beautiful music! That is not beautiful. It kind of sounds spooky, like a ghost. Yeah, so that sound that you're hearing is that nut rolling around on the inside of that balloon. And every time that little end, one of the little corners touches the balloon, it goes tunk, 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 and makes a sound. Oh. Yeah. And so that's it. So this is a fun one. Like I said,
There we go.
There we go. Now, if you look, you can kind of see that nut as it's hitting the side of the balloon. Okay, so this is called a screeching balloon. Very simple, very easy. It's a fun little thing to give the
kids. It's very entertaining.
It is way more entertaining than it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. All right, so that's it. Like I say, one thing of safety: don't let that nut get into you. Don't inhale that thing there. And if you have your parents and they're trying to work, or they're trying to do something, another thing of safety is maybe take it somewhere else. Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. Well, I'm Mr. Dave. This is Charlotte. Thank you for watching Breaking Boredom. Be sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to wash your hands.